Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. And how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. Yes, children? And you are preparing well for your exams. Now, we are going to do the Module 4, 5, 6 grammar part. Yesterday, we have completed Module 2, 3 grammar part. Yes, children? Now, in Module 4 grammar part, we are having about pronouns. What are the nouns? First of all, you know, children, nouns. Nouns are the names of a person, place, animal, thing. And coming to the pronouns, instead of a noun, what we are using, the words, that words are called as pronouns. Understood? Everyone, what are pronouns? We are having the pronouns, we are having different types of pronouns. What are the different types of pronouns? First is subject pronoun. What is the subject pronoun? Subject means what? Which is doing an action is called as subject. Okay, children. And we are having the object pronoun, which is receiving an action is called as object pronoun. Understood, children? Subject pronoun are the words which are used to, which is doing an action. I am doing an action here. I, it's a subject. And you are the receiver. Then you are the receiving an action. So, you is a object. Understood, children? And coming to the reflexive pronoun. What are the reflexive pronouns? See, the subject, which is the object also will be same to the subject. Subject and the object will be same. Then we are using the reflexive pronoun. What are the reflexive pronouns here? Myself. I did myself. Yes, children. And coming to in the plural form, we will use VES. Selves. We will use selves. Understood, children? And coming to the second. What is this? Possessive pronoun. What are the possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns tells about the belongings, ownership. It shows the ownership. And coming to this is a possessive, and coming to the relative pronoun. What are the relative pronouns, children? Relative pronouns tells who, whom, whose, when, where, that. These are the relative pronoun. It points out which person or thing being talked, for about whom we are talking, about which person we are talking, about what we are talking. It tells the relative pronoun. They refer to the noun introduced earlier or later in the sentence. Okay, children. Now coming to the 3.1. Yes, children, 3.1. See, fill in the blanks with the correct relative pronoun. What are the relative pronouns here? Whose, whom, that, who. These are the relative pronouns. Okay, children, complete that. 3.2. Rewrite the sentence using the relative pronoun only. We don't know the person that donated this money. Here, you should remove that. And we should know, we don't know the person who donated the money. Okay, choose the correct pronoun for each sentence. 3.3. And coming to 3.4, write down the type of pronouns that the underlined word in each sentence is. What type of pronoun is that? And write a own sentence also. Means you can write a relative pronoun, objective pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, subject pronoun. Today we have learned 5 pronouns. What are that? Subject pronoun, which does the action. Object pronoun, which receives the action. Reflexive pronoun, the subject and the object will be same. Here possessive pronoun tells the ownership. Relative pronoun, it tells about which it refers to what kind of about which person we are talking about, what we are talking, this extent. Okay, children. And now this is about the module 4 grammar part. Now coming to the module 5 grammar part, what it is? Adjectives. What are the, children? Adjectives. See here, adjectives. Here we are having different types of adjectives. Now we are going to the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. See, in adjectives, we are having different types of adjective. Quality, quantity, okay, number, different types of adjectives we are having. Now, we are going to learn about the degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Means what? When we are comparing between two persons. Okay, children. Now, we are going to learn about degree of comparison. Here, comparison. What it is? Comparison means what? Comparing. Now, I just one I said. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Now here I used good to describe her. Okay, this is a positive degree. And I said she is better than her. Here I used better to compare between two persons. Then it is a comparative degree. I'm telling that she is the best in the class. Here best. I am using here best. Here what I did, I compared with whole class. then it is a superlative degree. Understood, children? For you to easy to remember, I'm explaining like this: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, children, we are having different types of degrees. Now in this we are having regular degrees and irregular adjectives. Regular adjectives and irregular adjectives. What are the regular adjectives? In the regular adjectives, when we are the words which is going to change in the comparative and superlative. See here, black I said in the positive. In the comparative, we will use ER. It becomes blacker. In the superlative, we will use EST. It becomes blackest. Okay, black, blacker, blackest. These are the positive, comparative and superlative regular adjectives. Okay, children. And coming to the irregular adjectives. What are the irregular adjectives? When it changes. See, I said no, good in the super positive, better in the comparative, best in the superlative. These are the irregular adjectives. These are the irregular adjectives. Okay, children. Now, see, in sometimes beautiful. I said beautiful. When it comes to the comparative degree, more beautiful. When it comes to the superlative, most beautiful. Understood, children? This is about your degree of comparison adjectives, irregular adjectives and irregular adjectives. See, complete 3.1 children. They have asked positive, comparative and superlative degree. And coming to 3.2 also, just write which is the correct comparative degree, write it out. Okay, children. Now coming to the order of adjective. We are having the different types of adjectives, no? In this we are having right order of adjective. All the adjectives in a one sentence it is there. Then you can't write a proper sentence, it can't form. So we should write in a order. So what is the order? First is the opinion. First is what opinion? First is the opinion adjective. Means beautiful, boring, interesting. Second is size. Small, big, large. Third one is the condition or a physical quantity. Means weak, broken, cold, hot. Fourth one is age adjective. Age means old, young, new. Fifth one is color adjective. Green, red, white, black. Sixth one is purpose adjective. Gardening, sleeping, playing, reading. These are the adjectives. How you will write? The first opinion, color, noun. Beautiful brown armchair. Like this you should write. 3.3. Do it, children. 3.4 also same. See, pass me the big green mug. I used to drive an old white ambassador. Dump the waste in yellow cleaning container. Means by seeing the order correct. First you learn the table in page number 69. Then only you can write the correct form in the adjectives in the correct order. Understood, children, everyone? What we have learned now? Module 4 grammar part pronouns we have learned. Module 5 grammar part degree of comparison and adjective order of adjectives. And coming to the module, see a module 6 grammar part about articles. Articles means what, children? See a and the. These three are articles. Okay, here you know vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Vowels, what are the vowel letters? First tell me. Yes, children. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. And consonants are the remaining letters are called as consonants. Okay, children. Now coming to the A and the. Here A is used before a consonant sound. And is used before a vowel sound. And the is used to a unique pieces and the great bodies. Okay, children. Now here A and an are indefinite article. The is a definite article. Understood, children? Now here for some words we will use. See, uniform it is there. Okay. Now here it is U. It is a vowel letter only. But we will when we are pronouncing it is a consonant sound. So we are writing A. Understood, children? Now coming to the an. Now it is what? Har. Okay, it is a consonant letter, but when we are pronouncing it is a vowel sound. So we are going to write here an. And these two are indefinite article. And coming to the is a definite article. Means it is used for a great bodies, heavenly bodies. You can tell us the ticket counter, the kitchen, the unique pieces I said, the sun, the moon. Understood, children? And here, the is pronounced as the also. For a vowel sound, it is pronounced as the. For the consonant sound, it is pronounced as the. Understood, children? The apple. See here, one thing. A and an are used for the singular nouns only. It is used in the singular form only. For the singular forms only, we will use a and an. For plural forms, everything we will use the. Understood, children? See here, the Ganga, the Rama and everything. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the a and the. Okay, children? 3.1. Coming to the 3.2, what it is there? Here also picture. By saying the pictures, use the and a the. Okay, children, an hour and a minute, a giraffe and an umbrella, a cupcake and a candle, the sun and the moon, an owl and a pussycat. Okay, here we will not use every time the articles. For just we will not use the article there. It is called as zero article. Don't use article by saying general things about plural and uncountable nouns. I hate sweets made of sugar. I am afraid of heights. Don't use articles before abstract noun. I have a confidence. I have a. You should not use. I have confidence in you. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Don't use articles before names of a people, country. Means Sudeep is from Bangladesh. We are studying botany. Raza is fluent in Spanish. You should not use the articles there. Understood, children? Now see here, fill in the blanks with the correct articles. Put cross for where no article is needed. And see here, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. My mother is a doctor and my father is an architect. Ravi works at the airport every night. Do you have a dictionary with you? Don't worry about dash make us illness. She will be fine. Don't worry about make us illness. Okay, children. By this, you should complete 3.3. And 3.4 is a rewrite the paragraph after correcting the articles. Okay, children. Write the paragraph correcting the articles. You write it down. By this, we have completed the module 4, 5, 6 grammar part. What we have done in module 4? Pronouns. Module 5, adjectives. Module 6, articles. Okay, children. Simultaneously read the textbook part also. Now, everyone, what you will do, take out your homework book and practice these 3 grammar parts. Very easy, children. Copy the questions and write the answers without seeing. Then you will be having written a test also, and you will be having a confidence that you know everything. Understood, children? What we have learned? Pronouns, different types of pronouns, subject pronoun, object pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun. In the grammar part of module 5, what we have learned? We have done module 5. Yes, module 5 grammar part, what we have done, children? We have completed the, yes, degree of comparisons and the order of adjectives. Degree of comparison and order of adjectives. And coming to this, module 6, articles. Here, what are the articles? A and the. A and the. A is used before a yes consonant sound. And is used before a vowel sound. The is used for the great bodies, unique things, for the some countries, some states, like this, cities. Okay, children. These are about the articles. Okay, A and the are the articles. Understood, children? Now we have completed A and the here, articles. Now what you have to do, module 4, 5, 6 grammar part we have completed. Now you should practice that. What you'll do, take out your homework book and write the questions and write, without seeing you write the answers. Then you will get a confidence that you have learned something. Understood, children? And our exams are very near to us. Yes, today is what is the date? Think and count it. How many days are there for your exams? Okay, children. And the next one is what? Read the textbook part also. Everyone should read your textbook part also and learn the order of adjectives. Order of adjectives is very, very important. By the order only we can write our adjectives very clearly. Understood, children? Everyone have understood that? I hope everyone have understood the grammar part and you are going to write your practicing your thing. Learn and practice. Then you will know, you can remember the whatever you have learned. Okay, children? This is about your module 4, 5, 6 grammar part. And we are having the vocabulary part and the textbook part also. We will do it. Okay, then tomorrow we will do it.